Hello everyone. The topic for the video is branches of facial nerve. Facial nerve has 7 main branches. First is greater petrosal nerve, second is lesser petrosal nerve, third is nerve to stapedius, fourth is cauda tympani nerve, fifth is posterior auricular nerve, sixth is nerve to posterior belly of digastric, and at last we have 5 terminal branches. Greater petrosal nerve arises from geniculate ganglion, conveys preganglionic secretomotor fibers, relay in pterygopalatine ganglion and supply to lacrimal gland and nasal mucosa. Lesser petrosal nerve receives a twin from geniculate ganglion. Nerve to stapedius arises in facial canal and supply to stapedius muscle of middle ear. Cauda tympani nerve arises in facial canal and carries taste fibers for anterior 2/3 of the tongue and secretomotor fibers for submandibular and sublingual salivary glands. Posterior auricular nerve arises below styloid foramen and it has 2 branches, auricular and occipital, which supply muscle of auricle and occipital belly of fronto-occipitalis muscle. Nerve to posterior belly of digastric arises below stylomastoid foramen and supply to posterior belly of digastric and styloid muscle also. The 5 terminal branches arise within the parotid gland and emerges along the anterior border of parotid gland. From above downward they are temporal, zygomatic, buccal, marginal mandibular and cervical branch. Temporal branch supply across zygomatic arc. Zygomatic branch supply below and parallel to zygoma. Buccal branches are 2 in number, one upper and second lower, which supply to buccinator muscle. Marginal mandibular branch supply to lower lip and chin. Cervical branch supply to platysma. You can see in this diagram all the relation of branches. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.